Right, I thought I'd try and make this to help any fellow Tigra owners who are having the same problem. I've searched YouTube like everybody else and Google, and there are quite a few videos on, oh, my roof won't open, my roof won't close, and it shows people just fiddling around with the switch or saying, well, I've changed this and I've changed that, but no one's actually filmed a bloody video of what the problem might be. I mean, this Tigra, the switch has been changed and it's been cleaned. The boot opens fine, the boot closes fine, the roof sort of opens, the boot pivots backwards, and then nothing. Parcel shelf comes up. So after seeing one video on YouTube, looks like a really old one of some professionals doing it, we are going to attempt to change the pump, which is down there. And according to the video, it's quite a simple process because all the hydraulic lines are marked up, and the first thing to start with is just disconnect this on here, which is just the remote boot opening, and that can just pull down there. This thing just pulls out once you that literally just pulls out of the boot. That can be set aside. Forgive my moving around, but I'm crap at editing, so I'm trying to do this in one go. So there is what drives the boot and the, try and do it with one hand like he did in the video, just like an insulating box. That comes up here. The fluid should be about halfway, so you'll see it slop around in there. It does two things. There are two hydraulic rams on each side of the boot. One you can plainly see drives the boot up and down. There's two smaller ones which you can't see, which are behind this carpet, which drive the roof up and down. I'm going to make this tutorial in two goes, because one of them is going to be just changing this over, and it's a fairly simple thing. We just unplug the electrics down there, and then it gives you a bit more space to move this around, and then as you see on top, they're all marked up. Once these screws are undone, the plate moves, all the little hydraulic lines come out, and then you just change the pump over. So that's what we're going to attempt to do today, and hopefully that'll solve the problem. I mean, it could be the actual little roof mechanism ECU, which is down there, but as the boot is opening and closing fine, and this little parcel shelf up here seems to be working fine, we're going to presume it's a problem with this hydraulic pump either not having enough power to put it up and down, or it could be the relays. Yeah, so that's what we're going to attempt to do today. We're going to try and change this pump over and see if it makes any difference to this. I'm trying to film as much as possible to say, because there's not a lot of sort of like people in this country doing filming of the actual motor. They all seem to be concentrating on the switches. So yeah, we will post another video to it and see what happens.